Alright, day 2 of camping. I just got back from walking all the way from a lake. It is 8 o'clock right now. I am in a hammock. Yes, fight me. And, I went fishing today. Was very, very boring. Got, no fish. I got no fish. Almost got one. It was right in my grist, but due to not reeling in all the way and annoyance, I failed. I also lost a flop in the sea. Yeah, we only got one right there. I did a second recording of this, but I ended it short because I pressed the wrong button. It was me basically walking back and showing you I had no flop. And finally getting here. Injured as hell. My legs, everything is completely injured. At least my phone doesn't have a crack on it. That would have been terrible. I'm looking around. There's squirrels up in that tree that could probably jump down and eat my face off. I'm joking again. Anyway, so, yeah. Not really a very exciting day. I'd rather sleep on a hammock than anything else, actually. I can literally do this. I, seal myself in here. I'm honestly trapped. This is actually, okay, yeah. 10 minutes, it took me 10 minutes to walk back here from the lake, and we're the closest to the lake, alright? We're not even close to the lake, alright? We're near the edge of the lake. Alright, we're the farthest from the lake right now. Completely injured. Please help. Send 911. Please send 911. Actually, don't, because that would actually concern me. Anyways, it's here. Not very an eventful day, and that's why I actually didn't record until, right now, at 8 o'clock. There wasn't really anything eventful, but, oh my god, I'm so tired. Yeah, I know, this is really boring for the audience, but, that outhouse over there? Oh, actually, come on, next speak. Then again, most YouTubers aren't wearing pants. Nope, pant check. Yep. Right there. That outhouse right there. Filled with demon spiders. You go camping, look inside one of those things, demon spiders. It's honestly insane. I walked in there, and I just saw the biggest spider you'd probably see in goddamn Australia, along with a giant wasp that probably eats people's brains for breakfast and snacks. I'm like, hell no. Anyway, so it's been really boring. Yep, that's the outhouse of terrors. Honestly, walking in that thing, worst idea ever. It's gonna be a little short video, but because it's just me laying in a hammock describing what's happened. I had 8 s'mores, because that's honestly what you do with camping. You eat 8 s'mores, right? I was sometimes first time in camping in like 5 years. And first time fishing in like 2. Do I enjoy camping? The answer to that? Absolutely not. This is day 2. Completely injured. Decided to go camping and then turned out to be terrible. Alright, well, either way, later I get my own personal space and not inside a goddamn fallout shelter. I didn't even know what to call it. Anyways, yeah, unprofessionalism. That should just be the name of this channel, unprofessionalism. If you think this should be unprofessionalism, then ask. Alright, then leave a comment below saying yes or no. Or just have a like on that video. And yeah, the new name will be unprofessionalism. Alright, cool. Anyways, it's being here. It's day 2 of camping. And I am. And oh wait, there's one more thing. There's an intersection right there. Well, I actually don't think you can see it, but I hope there is. There's the full on houses back there. Yep. Yeah, I know. Yeah, there's full on houses, like full on $2 million houses right there. Alright, anyways, now don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and I will be seeing y'all later. Bye.